Welcome back to Radiology Made Easy. Please be with us until the end of the video because I'm giving you tips which are very important for your exams. And my best tip will be at last. Let's get started. A 55-year-old female presented with recurrent episodes of dyspnea and atypical chest pain. Let's look at the frontal chest X-ray. Guys, first try to identify the abnormalities you see in this chest radiograph. And then we'll discuss what are the findings. Here you can see a relatively homogeneous soft tissue density which is projected medially in the right mid and lower zones. It is rounded and well defined laterally, but the medial aspect is not visualized separately from the mediastinum. And then it forms obtuse angle with the lung, implying a mediastinal rather than a pulmonary mass. Okay, now tip number 1. Guys, please remember, mediastinal masses forms obtuse angle with the lung, and while pulmonary masses form an acute angle. Here, the right hilum is clearly visualized through the mass. And as you can see, the right heart border at this level is not visualized, although it is evident inferior to the mass. So guys, these all features suggest that the mass is localized to the anterior mediastinum. I hope this is clear to you up to now. And what are the other findings? Okay, the lungs are clear and there are no abnormalities of the thoracic cage are seen. And both breast shadows are present. Now let's see what are the differential diagnoses of this patient. It can be either a pericardial cyst or a cardiac aneurysm, and as well as lymphoma, and also it can be a germ cell tumor. So guys, what is the diagnosis? The diagnosis here is right-sided pericardial cyst in an adult female. Make sure to write the full diagnosis in cases like this. And this is a post-contrast CT image from this patient, and it clearly demonstrates the homogeneous, well-defined pericardial cyst. Well guys, this is a very common exam case, so it is very important to recap the differential diagnosis relating to the anterior, middle and also posterior mediastinum. First, consider whether the mass is mediastinal or pulmonary in origin. For that, I gave you a tip a short while ago. In general, pulmonary masses form an acute angles with the mediastinum, and mediastinal masses form obtuse angles. On a frontal view, the visualization of the hilar vessels through a mass, which is also known as hilum overlay sign, localizes the mass to the anterior or posterior mediastinum, but more commonly the anterior mediastinum. And paraspinal line deviation indicates a posterior mediastinal mass. And also any mass located above the superior aspect of the clavicle is either posterior mediastinal or clavicle in origin. Both can be there. So you know the diagnosis here is a pericardial cyst. Guys, pericardial cysts are typically incidental findings. They may, however, if sufficiently large, present with symptoms such as dyspnea and atypical chest pain due to pressure effects. Usually they are right-sided and are most commonly located at the cardiophrenic angle. That's all for today guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye bye.